Welcome to week 10 of Corporate Law MOOCs course. In the last week we discussed about accounts of companies, and in this present week we will discuss about audit of companies, and there will be two modules in this week. First module will deal with audit of companies, and second module will deal with auditors, their duties and liabilities. Now, laying of accounts before the shareholders is important work which has been assigned to the directors by the Companies Act that we discussed in the last module. Now, how these accounts have to be audited by the auditors, that is also provided by the Companies Act. So, we will understand the concept of audit, how audit is done, what is the requirement of audit, why it is required to be why the accounts are required to be audited, and are there any special kinds of audits that are required to be done in any company. So, these are the basic things that we will discuss in the first module, and this module is again written by the professor who teaches in the Financial Management Institute. So, I would request you to look into his content and also very carefully listen to his presentation to understand what a financial management professor has to say on the audit of companies, and he has also taken examples from the companies. The next module is on the auditors. So, here we will look about the statutory provisions, how the auditors are appointed, what are the qualifications, and we will also look into their responsibilities and liabilities which have been fixed on them by the Companies Act, as well as we will also have a look on the common law principles which fix liabilities on auditors. Now, the topic of auditors has been since 2013 Act a lot has been into discussion a lot, because there was initial thought that Companies Act wants to done away with the auditorship, but it is not the case, because we can understand that fixing the liability on auditors does not in any way diminishes their role in the companies. So, we will try to understand about audit and auditors of the companies in this module, and I will meet you again in the next module.